must begin with a single step, according to Galatians. University President Dr. Alicia P. Cabatinas, Board of Trustees, University officials, Principal, the whole campus, Mrs. Aurora E. Briones, Directors, Magini Campus, Mrs. Basilio C. Bandabon, the distinguished commencement speakers, beloved mentors, proud parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Graduation, indeed, brings us to this sound joy, especially for our students, parents, guardians, that the long-cherished dream has come to reality. In spite of the burden, the hardship, and the suffering, it is the day rewarded for us to prove to ourselves that we can really be someone someday. High school life, it is a long journey of preparing ourselves to the real world of competition. Being a valedictorian is a great title, but for me, the rank doesn't matter. What matters most is how you share your wisdom with others. We are all unique and equal. We learn together. We share thoughts with each other. We help hand in hand. The journeys we take, the walks we make. We made our own dreams. We made our own steps. We made our own choice. We are here because we chose to be here. All things pass by, but the only thing that will remain are the memories that we have. It will always stay forever. To our dear parents, may I request our dear parents to please stand up and be recognized. You will truly tender your efforts and sacrifices, till at last we can achieve the laurels and glories. You are the ones ought to be rewarded, ought to be showered by praises and appreciation, ought to be offered by bouquets. My beloved graduates, please give them a big round of applause. They hardly earn pesos, which we thoughtlessly burn into unnecessary things. Did we realize that we are the only hope of our beloved mother? That after Mass, she could cease working as lavandera? Did we also realize that our parents sent us to school for economic reasons? To my fellow graduates, childhood delusions suspended. Tomorrow, as the sun rises, we have to face life in a new dimension, a new outlook. This commencement is not an end. This is merely the pillar which serves as a foundation, since the sole reason that life is a great struggle to obtain the supreme mastery of oneself. Instill in your mind and spirit that poverty is not a hindrance to success. We have to face the challenge. We have to face it squarely and encourage ourselves to work better and strive more in order that in the last few years to come, we could be the pride of our alma mater. But even if we fail, don't ever lose hope. Because success doesn't mean the absence of failure. It is the attainment of ultimate objectives. It is winning the war, not every battle. Don't be afraid to take chances and experience failure in your life, because fear cannot really help us to succeed in life. You can never cross the ocean unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore, according to Christopher Columbus. Balancing the never-ending equilibrium of life should be your goal, because balance is what builds happiness. Don't worry what will happen tomorrow, because tomorrow will bring its own worries and troubles. We don't need to rush everything. If something's bound to happen, no matter how, it will really happen. Remember, today's trouble is enough for today. Bad thoughts enter our minds on a daily basis. To be at our best, we should be able to dominate them. Then we see who we truly are and what we're capable of doing. Don't let your past define who you are today. It will try and break you down until there's nothing left. God always gives us second chance. To my beloved mentor, may I request our beloved mentor to please stand up and be recognized. How can we repay you for your wise teaching, for your unselfish devotion to our welfare, your motherly and fatherly guidance, which serves as good fortune to share? My beloved graduates, please give them a big round of applause. In unison, allow me to say once and for all, we are grateful and proud of you. Learn from yesterday. Live for today. Hope for tomorrow. My fellow graduates, congratulations and Godspeed.
Another valedictorian address, this time by Rowena